Hello, everyone. This is Mia waseem Hassan. I hope you will be fine, shine like a star. Today we discuss about the most major topic: how to earn money from internet. You can say online. There is a huge variety of products in the internet. You can find out the which is the best way uh, you can earn money from internet. In the last video, we will discuss about you can earn money from Fiverr and freelance. Today we discuss about you can earn money from Upwork. Upwork is also is a great platform which buyer and sellers meet in one place. Buyer give orders to seller, seller gives order to buyer. The mutual understanding, the both parties, and buyer buy products. You can say buy services, and sellers provides selling facilities. The history of Upwork I will elaborate you. Uh, Upwork formerly Enhance Odex, and it's American brand. In 2015, Elance Odex merged, and Upwork and the company full name is now Upwork Global. Upwork is currently based in Santa Clara and San Francisco, California. It's American brand. In 2017, Upwork had over 12 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients, more than 3 million jobs worth 1 billion American dollar. Together with post in 2017, and uh, the foundation is 1999 as Alliance, 2003 Odex, 2013 Alliance and Ross merge up, and 2015 as Upwork. And headquarter is Santa Clara, California. Area covered worldwide. You can provide services through worldwide. The key peoples who attach the you can say Thomas Layton is the founder. Industries marketplace. The revenue per annum 2020 three uh, three 73.6 million dollars. Registration is required. You can easily and Upwork, how Upwork is work. Upwork allow clients to interview, hire, and work with freelancers and freelancer agencies through the company platform. The client post description of their jobs and price range they are willing to pay a freelance to complete. The client may invite specific freelancers to apply their jobs or else post their job. Any freelancer who is interested to apply, once the client has choose who they want to complete their job, they hire freelance by sending contract with the set hours, pay rates, and deadline for the work to complete. The Upwork platform includes the real-time chat features the either client or freelance can use to separate the size, scope, and changes. In the March 2017, the work report 14 millions user in 180 countries with 1 billion USSD is annual freelancing billing. But in 2020, the company purged 1.8 billion freelancing possibility due to change made under the leadership of new CEO Hayden Brown. And in 2019 call with Inverse, Brown said the work would be focusing more serving to need the Fortune 500 caps the company rather than the smallers. And there is the huge variety available in the Upwork, and the sole proprietorship business owners and the different companies are also involved to participate in the Upwork. It is a very great you can say huge market available, buyer and sellers attraction with each others. Easily you manage your task within the specific times. It is low investment. You can easily make design, graphic designing, web development. There is a lot of opportunities available in this field. You can easily available. There is a lot of opportunity ways. Guys, come up. and enjoy the Upwork platform. It's American platform. You can trust on him. I think his video will for suitable for you. Kindly join my channel. Thank you very much.